Hi, Vicky. So in this video, I'm going to jump straight to it and basically show you how you can use the Documents Hub of your medical office on InsiteOR to store, manage, edit, and send documents to all of these different people. What I've done already is I've logged in, I've pulled up this office dashboard, and I'm going to go to your office's Documents Hub. So you'll see here, this Documents Hub is basically a menu inside your office that lets you upload, save, and edit documents all inside the platform on InsiteOR. Think about it this way. If someone, sends a fax to you through the platform or onto the platform, you can save that document and store it here. If you have pieces of paper in your office that you want to scan, upload, and save as a template, you can do that and save them here. This just becomes a really nice, easy storage for you to manage all of your documents, and then it gives you access to them anywhere you can access InsiteOR. So to upload a document, you'll just basically click this new document button, and we're going to upload that surgery calendar that you sent to us as a template. So I'm going to go ahead and say surgery calendar template. Description is this is a blank surgery calendar template. Now what you can do is I've got this downloaded here, so I can just click, drag, and drop that file here, and that's going to show up as green. You can also click this box, and it's going to pull up that little window for you to go and find the file that you want to upload. So I'll upload that. Now here is, I don't have a procedure that I want to upload or associate this file with. So since that's the case, I'm actually going to leave the case card and smart card selection here blank. By leaving it blank, it's going to create this document with no association, and it allows you to use this document as a template. So we'll go ahead and click save, and what you're going to see here is in this uploaded tab, we've now uploaded this surgery calendar blank template. And if we click on it, we'll see that template in the screen. So this is awesome because now you'll see you've got all of these menu options. You can send this template as a fax. You can send this templated document as an email. If you want to change the name of this document or later on update it to associate it with something, you can do that from here. The best part about this, though, is that we're going to go ahead and pretend that we have a patient that we want to create this template for. To do that, you can click the Edit Document button, and it's going to pull up this edit screen that allows you to write over this image you see in front of you. This menu bar at the top gives you tools to edit, write over, draw on, and highlight different portions of this page. So what we'll do is, since this is a patient calendar for surgery, we're going to click this text A option, click on this line, and it will populate this sample text box for us. We can click and move this text box. And if we double click inside the text box, we can say on May 5th, 2022. Expand that, place that there. And now we've written over this template that on May 5th, 2022, this patient needs to contact their primary care provider and physician, etc. We can also, at the very top here, click and place text. So we can say this will be for the patient, Brandon. And I can put my date of birth in here. So you can see it's pretty easy to just click and add text. I can click here, and add text. So this makes this text very nice and easy. It's super easy to use. Every time you want to add another text field, just go up to that A option. Add that text box, write your text or type your text in, change the size as desired, and then now go back up to that A menu option, click that menu option, and then click where you'd like to add the new text box. So you can see this makes it super easy to create legible, simple, visible dates that this patient needs to be aware of. And we can even, we'll add this last one as this is getting, I think you get the picture at this point. I don't need to keep typing in random fake dates for a fake surgery that I'm not going to have. But what's really cool is now from here, you've got this fully filled out surgery calendar form. And we can even from here now save this page. And then you're going to get a notification that says this document was successfully updated. Now from there, you don't have to do anything else. You can just click this X box, exit this page. And if you click on your edited menu option, you're going to see here that today we saved a newly edited document, which is this surgery calendar. And if we click on it, you're going to actually see that inputted information. For Brandon Michaelis on a total knee, these were the dates we asked him to do this information. And now you can easily email this document to the patient just by typing in their email and choosing any of the individuals that you've loaded into your contact management section. So this is super easy. And now if you want to let anyone know, so for example, the primary care physician, Irv over at the Home for Health, if they need to be aware of any specific dates, you can easily email this document to them. Patient surgery calendar for Brandon, and write them a message and hit send. When you hit send, that will send them an email and they'll get all this information automatically. You can also send this as a fax. So by clicking this paper airplane, it's going to ask you to choose which fax number you'd like to send this document to. As soon as you click that fax number, it's going to ask you to confirm this document, click send, and it will automatically send a fax message to that number with that attached document. So that video very quickly went into and covered how you can use Documents Hub to, from the start, upload a new document, associate it with nothing, to create a templatized blank sheet that you can then later use and edit to facilitate an actual patient calendar while always retaining that blank template here. So this makes it super easy, saves you a ton of paper, and ensures that every single time you have a copy of every file you sent to every patient or other office and the information that was on it, so you have peace of mind knowing everything was completed. That's all we're going to cover in this video, and I think that was even a pretty good amount. So a couple of things to just kind of have you explore is take some time and go through this Documents Hub. What you'll see is as you click on the send email buttons and the send fax buttons, there's a few different things that allow you to choose people that are associated with your office. What we're going to talk a little bit about in the next video is how you can use your contact management menu to create people you constantly work with or constantly communicate with who are not necessarily associated with your office as a staff member or associated business. So we'll dive into that one next. From there, I hope you have a great rest of your day, and thanks for using InsiteOR.